Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone speaker low sound issue on iPhone iOS 70 without wasting any time. Let's start the video. Solution number 1, check iPhone volume. Open the control center. After checking iPhone volume, solution number 2 is disable the noise cancellation. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on accessibility. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, audio visual, tap on it. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, phone noise cancellation, toggle off. And solution number 3, reset all setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general. Scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset all setting. Reset all setting. This will reset all setting. No data or media will be deleted and problem is fixed. Solution number 4, turn off Bluetooth. Firstly, tap on setting app. Tap on Bluetooth. Bluetooth toggle off and 5 to 10 seconds back toggle on. And solution number 5 is do not disturb mode. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on focus, do not disturb, tap on it. And go back. Solution number 6, check your iPhone speaker and clean the speaker on your iPhone. So after cleaning iPhone speaker, 100% fix your iPhone speaker. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.